Alright, this is going to be a detailed walkthrough of the man cave garage conversion as a game room, starting with the 65-inch LG G5 OLED, respawn chair, PS5 DualSense Edge. That's running on a custom PS5 Pro. I blacked it out, 4 terabytes. The real crown jewel out here is my triple 32-inch sim rig, the 4th telemetry screen up front, running a replay here. SimMagic full setup, shifter, handbrake, SimMagic P2000. This is all running off of a Ryzen 7 9800 5090 GPU, 96 gigabytes of RAM, microphone, AC unit, HF8 Pro here. I have 3 steering wheels, 2 butt kickers, some other lights there. See the PC. Got my cup holder, lights going around. You can see one of the butt kickers there, the other one's up front. Stream deck. This is all dialed in. Got the workout bench here. Free weights, Peloton tread. Did the mirrors with the black paneling, some of the hexagon lights. 2 chairs for the kiddos, air purifier, vibration machine. Sounds like a wind tunnel in here with all the fans on. With that portable AC, it's warm right now because I have it off. It keeps it into the mid-70s, even when it's a hot Florida day. I put up curtains here. They're not all closed so you could see, but I got extra storage there. Could still fit full-size SUV. My tag, user tag up there. That's it.